Yo, what's going on? So this is how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Gate.io. So the step 1 is to ensure Bybit has your correct TRC20 USDT address. Log into your Bybit account and navigate to the transfer page. Make sure that TRC's token standard is selected for USDT. Copy the USDT wallet address provided by Bybit. So set the token to USDT and then copy the USDT wallet address. After that, you're gonna access Gate.io's deposit page, log into your Gate.io account and navigate to the wallet page, click on deposit and then select USDT as the cryptocurrency. Note the deposit address and network TRC for future reference. Note them down. After that, you're gonna transfer USDT from Bybit to Gate.io. Go back to Bybit's transfer page and enter the Gate.io TRC20 USDT deposit address that you noted before. Specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer, confirm the transfer. Final step is verify the transfer on Gate.io. Log into your Gate.io account and navigate to the wallet page. Check for incoming USDT transfer from Bybit. Once the transfer is confirmed, you can use the USDT for trading or other purposes on Gate.io, and that is it.